Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Nasa galaan kami. We just finished eating. Well, I did. My lipstick is gone.
Want some?
No. Our stuff is a lot. I'm gonna continue eating. So, I buy yung zip roots.
Oh, hindi na pala bibili. Hindi pala bibili kasi.
It's big. That one's big. Sa akin lang yan ah.
Ano to, yellow?
Yellow.
Red nga yan eh. Paano naging dilaw?
We just arrived. Tira din tinitignan manok. Oh. Nabababag na. There's so many chickens. Mag-air. Gusto mag-swimming nung isa, pero hindi pa makaswimming.
Gusto ko mag-swimming.
Ibabacuum pa yung pool.
Ito si...
Oh, look at the doggo.
Yung aanuhin pa yung pool.
Vacuum. Yes, my face is
Kasi
shit
may
sharp.
may wala nga.
Now to ang chocolate. Now to.
Hangin mo is lamig. Pinakauna, yan din. Yung malalapit na yan.
Nyab!